so much room in here. We're at the junkyard. We're getting... Well, you need a navigation, damn near, kind of. Because the fucking 6-speed, supposedly,
you gotta get the
connector's fucking different. So, here we are. Back again. Jesus.
I don't know if that was any better.
Honestly, I'd rather walk this way than that way. Oh my god. This liquid is everywhere. Or these puddles are everywhere. Yeah, literally. We got the navigation for the 2008. She looking cute.
Also got some
She look like a fucking monster truck right now. Alright, so I basically didn't record anything. Just because I'm fucking literally so focused on getting everything else trying to get done. So, oh crap, actually this is an oil pan, I like that. I'm literally just trying to clean everything up, getting the car ready. Don't worry about the license plate, this is all stuff for my car. Anyways, yeah, basically cleaned out the back seats, so it looks good. I'm gonna be putting this in tomorrow. I still need to go find a bumper and put this fucking A-spec lip on. And then me and Kyle still need to put the interior together.
Off the trunk.
Brother. I don't think there's any room back there, to be honest with you.
Need that thing.
Not on my Alcantara. This should be fun. Yeah, it should be fun.
You can almost throw your plate on it.
Hmm?
So you can almost throw your plate on it.
Alright. Actually, I mean, I could.
Bro, just get screws from autos or some shit.
Yeah. But anyways,
This whole garage.
just doing the little. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. I got the front light on. I didn't fucking record anything, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, she's coming along, you guys. She's coming along. So close. It's so close. Anyways, we're gonna get out of here so we can do stuff tomorrow. And yeah, just like that, we are out of this bitch. I'm looking for a back bumper for the 6-speed. So, yeah, this is currently where we're at right now. 37, there she is. Hopefully this car got the back bumper on her. Just like that. I'm about to take this bumper off.
Honestly, I don't even know. I got something.
So, this one's actually pretty good. So, I'm gonna take this because she is in actually pretty good condition. And then, I mean, the only bad thing about the bumper is like these little fucked up bits right here. But like, I'm cutting the bumper. So like, I'm cutting the bumper right there. Like the drag bumper on his car. So, I don't even think it even matters if it's fucked up down there. You know what I mean, you guys? So, let me get this off and then I'm gonna pay for it. And then we're gonna head over to the 6-speed. Or actually, no, I gotta go get a tire for the 6-speed. Or Kyle's car. And then we gotta go over to the 6-speed and pick up Kyle. So, yeah. So, we're basically back. I put the Type S front light. And then I put the base light there. I'm gonna be switching the wheels around today. So the Type 6-speed's gonna get her shoes. And then, yeah, she got her bumper in here. So we chilling. Oh, I can't wait to get the 6B running, you guys. Ray just bought the car. We basically did everything today. You know, tag and title transfer and stuff like that. So Ray's the new owner of the TL 2008. God, she got her bumper on. Oh! Oh my gosh, she looking good now. Because you can. Oh God. Damn. She look good. What you think, cameraman?
Yes, sir.
It look good.
She looks fresh.
Alright, now we gotta work on other stuff. Basically saying goodbye to my car. Damn, it's so weird like watching your car drive away. Damn. Goodbye, baby girl. I love you. Treat him right.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.